Cyclones can be powerful and unpredictable. Strong winds, heavy rain, and storm surges can cause severe damage and danger. But with the right preparation, you can stay safe and protect those around you. Let's understand how to stay safe, step by step, before, during, and after a cyclone. So how can you be prepared? Find out if you live in a cyclone-prone area. The simplest way is to stay tuned to updates from the National Disaster Alert Portal, Decode, or by downloading the Decode mobile app. It regularly shares alerts on weather conditions across India, whether it's cyclones, floods, or landslides. By keeping an eye on these updates, you can stay prepared and, if needed, evacuate safely in time. Before cyclone season. Being ready before the cyclone arrives gives you a better chance to respond calmly and safely. That's exactly why we start with preseason prep. Check your house, secure loose tiles, repair doors and windows. Keep wooden boards ready to protect glass windows. Cut dead branches near the house and anchor loose items like bricks, tin sheets, or garbage cans that winds could fling. Stock a kerosene lantern, torches, extra batteries, and dry no-cook foods. Now, when a cyclone alert or warning is issued by authorities, it's time to move from preparation to action. Stay calm and keep listening to All India Radio for warnings. Monitor updates closely. Share only official information with others and ignore or avoid spreading rumors to prevent panic. Follow updates only from government sources and remain alert for the next 24 hours. Stay away from beaches, coastal areas, and low-lying regions. If your solid house is on high ground, shelter in its safest room, but evacuate if ordered. Secure windows with shutters or tape to reduce glass shattering and support outside doors. Store extra dry food and drinking water in covered vessels and check lanterns and torches are in working condition. Switch off the main electrical supply to prevent accidents. Remember, if the wind suddenly calms for a short while, stay indoors. This may be the cyclone's eye, and strong winds can return from the opposite direction. During the cyclone, do not step outside even if winds calm. Stay indoors until officials clearly say that the danger has passed. If and when evacuation is ordered, pack essentials, medicines, food, clothes, important documents. Head straight to your area's designated shelter or points. At the shelter, follow the in-charge's rules and stay until they clear to leave. After the cyclone. Even after the cyclone has passed, caution is still necessary. Stay in shelter until told to return home. Stay away from fallen power lines and damaged buildings. Drive carefully if needed. Clear debris from your premises immediately. Report damage or losses to local authorities. Stay safe. Keep an eye on IMD updates and your local alerts. Like, share, and subscribe for more safety tips. Thanks for watching.